Have you tried installing Cowabunga online on your iPhone? Today I'll show you how to do it on iOS 18 running iPhone. Using a Safari browser, search Cowabunga online for iOS 18. Open the Pangu aid and select Jailbreak Solutions. Now tap on Cowabunga Online. Open the Cowabunga app and select Get Zip File. Download your favorite theme. Go back to Home, and choose the zip file you downloaded into Files. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of themes are available for you to customize the device. Hurry up, enjoy the Cowabunga online on yours too.